Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Mercari promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up on your web browser Mercari promo code and click go. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to the first website, wethrift.com. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is for September 2023 and it's 1st September today. So this is for this month and it's really gonna work. Alright, so the first one is get a 15% off. And as you guys can see, the coupon was used almost 9,000 times and it has a success rate of 50%. So it might work or might not work depending on your luck. Well, you can still give it a try and copy the code. And this is the code and you can use this at checkout as well. Similarly, there are more codes here. For example, let's say you're looking for a $10 off. You can copy this code and it's gonna be copied and you can use this at checkout. Well, as you can see, this one has a success rate of 100%, so it's surely gonna work. So up to $30 off when you sign up. So this means on your first order, you're gonna get a $30 off with this code. You can copy it and use it at checkout. Well, now I'm gonna go to some other websites and show you a few more codes. Okay, then you can head over to the second website, Retail Me Not, and there are a few good codes here as well. Okay, so these are all sales. So let's say get $10 for your first listing. So it's directly gonna take you to the website because this is an ongoing sale which you can take automatically by going to the website. So as you guys can see, it says no code needed, start shopping at the website. So you can directly go to the website and claim this offer without any code. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.